everyone, my name's Lori. I'm 52 years old and I live in Florida. And today I wanted to do a review on a product that I was really wanting to try because I heard so much about it. I was getting a lot of little emails that kept saying, raspberry ketones, raspberry ketones. I was like, what is a raspberry ketone? So I take a lot of supplements and I have been trying to lose some weight. Now I have tried a couple of different diet pills that have not been efficient in curbing my appetite. For some reason, since I turned my 50s, my appetite has increased quite considerably. I get cravings that I never got before. I used to brag that I could just live on tea, but not so much anymore. I am very much a hungry person. So I needed something that would curb my appetite but not make me feel real jittery and not just give me loads of caffeine, because I get enough of that in some of the other things that I take, because I do take quite a few supplements. So I was looking for something that would work, and I thought I would do the research on raspberry ketones. So I did, and I found out that it is like an appetite suppressant. For me, it works enormously well. I don't get jitters, I'm not up all night, and I don't have any kind of problems or side effects that I would have with a caffeine-based diet pill. Now, I'm getting my raspberry ketones really for a great price from Puritan's Pride. Now, I get a lot of things from Puritan's Pride because they're economical, their shipping is reasonable, and they often have these deals where you buy one, get one free, or buy one, get two free. And that's the case with this one. These are new. Puritan's Pride just came out with these, and that's what the bottle looks like. And it comes in two different formulas. This is just the strict raspberry ketones. They also have one that comes with a white bean. But I just wanted to have the raspberry ketones to give it a try. So it's a concentrated source of raspberry ketones. This one's a 60-day capsule, and I take 2 of these a day. I take one in the morning to curb off all this morning hunger, and then I take another one about 3 o'clock, which is about 2 hours before I eat my dinner. And I do that because I want to make sure it gets in my system so that I don't overeat, because part of my problem is portion control. Whereas it used to be that a small amount of food would satisfy me, that doesn't do that anymore. And whatever I put on my plate, however I pile it high, I will eat it. So it's very annoying because I have gained in a year's time. I don't know if you've seen some of my older video reviews that I did at my other house, where I did video reviews for leggings and things. I was thinner back then. Since that time, I have gained about 30 to 35 pounds. I'm scared to go on the scale, to be truly honest with you. A lot of the clothes that I used to have don't fit. So it's getting to the point where I either have to invest in more clothing or I better lose some weight. And that's what I'm doing. So I tried this. And the reason that I'm showing this to you is I didn't get to try it. I didn't get a sample or anything. This is something that I did on my own. And I did the research. And I found raspberry ketones all over the place. But the most economical one that I found is the Puritan's Pride. Now, what this cost me was $7.99 plus shipping, and I got 3 bottles of 60 for that amount of money. So I think that I paid, after shipping cost was all said and done, I think it was $12 and something change. And that gives me a 3-month supply. Now, if you look online, you're not going to find the quality of raspberry ketones for that price. This is a great price, and I love Puritan's Pride. I use a couple of their products because of this, and they often have these sales of the buy one get one or buy one get two, as is in the case with this one. And shipping, I think, is about it's either $3.99 or $4 something. But these are easy to take. They don't give you any of that. You know, and it doesn't affect your mood, doesn't make you crabby, and you can sleep. The only thing that this is going to do is stop you from eating too much, or at least it does that for me. Now, I can't guarantee it's going to work for everybody, but for some reason for me, it's really working, whereas other diet pills and appetite suppressants just weren't doing it. I would take, I had a particular one that I bought, in a 4-pack, it was a strippy thing with a 4-pack, and I don't want to mention any names, but I have been taking one of those in the morning for, it seems like a year, I haven't really noticed it doing anything. It may curb my appetite for a short span of time in the morning, and then it wears off. It does not do much by dinner, and that's what I really need the product to do, is to do by dinner. Now, if I take the raspberry ketone in the morning, I'm good till the late afternoon. Then I take another one at 3 o'clock, and that will keep me from being hungry all the way to bed. So I'm not constantly snacking, or I'm not sitting around going, gosh, I really wish I could make myself a giant snack. So I just wanted to tell you, and this is just going to be a review just for the heck of it, because I really like this, and whenever I find something I like to do a review on it. Now, I know this video is long, and I'm terribly sorry, and I thank you for looking at it. Bye.